Hi everybody, this is Mike Ellenberger for ScreenBeam live at ISE, and today we're talking about the ScreenBeam 1100, the world's first and only true multi-network wireless presentation system. What's so great about this solution is that it allows companies to actually connect up to both their corporate and their guest networks so that the device may be used by anybody going into a room. Of course, this has our very special commercial Miracast in it and also has a built-in access point if you choose to go ahead and implement it. So you're probably familiar with this product. It's an award winner from ISE this last year, but now we're also introducing a few new features as well. Right here we're actually showing our multi-view feature. So this will allow you to connect up to 4 screens simultaneously. This is all done without moderation. So simply when you make your first wireless display connection, that person has a full screen view. When you make your second connection, you now have 2 screens. The third connection will move these screens up. A third connection will come in, and a fourth connection as well. You can see that the ready to connect information is sitting there on the screen so that people who are participating in meetings and want to go into multi-view have that readily available. We're also previewing our new CMS 4.0. So every ScreenBeam product comes with our central management system. There's no additional cost, there's no subscriptions, there's no renewals. Everything is included. This CMS 4.0 is now web-based and multi-user role-based. And so you can have super admins and admins with different roles and responsibilities across all sorts of deployments, either single geography or multi-geography. So it gives you all the power you need. Thanks for stopping by. This is Mike Ellenberger for ScreenBeam at www.screenbeam.com.